This place is absolutely mental. Well, we're really full after tea. We've now moved on to Fremont Street. Experience should be good. Currently at the top of the Golden Nugget, and the car parking now $25, 24 hours. Welcome to the Fremont Street experience. I don't know how we're going to do the editing here. There is a lot of music, and it's a whole different place. Pretty crazy place. Here in Vegas. Wow. They're absolutely huge. I mean, we've seen loads of Cybertrucks now, haven't we? Well, that one, I don't know, I think I'd have one. It's growing on me now. They are huge though, aren't they? Win me, so you can win a Cybertruck. The Plaza Hotel. Been there some time. And up here is actually Circa. And then the Fremont Street experience. And we've got to look in the ABC store, I guess, while we're here. Got to be worth doing. I think he's enjoying himself in Las Vegas tonight. Yes. I think it's a lot more noisier than last year, isn't it? It is just unbelievable down here, isn't it? We've got a lot of people here as well. Coming up to 7:18, so the lights are all coming on. What's the street entertainers? Yeah. We can, I think. No. Probably will do any time, the zip line. I don't know if you can hear me on this video, but it is absolutely nuts here in Las Vegas. There's so much going on, isn't it? This place is absolutely mental. As you say, there's nobody on Slotzillion tonight. So just weighed myself down, 153 at Heart Attack Grill. And right in front of us is Fremont East, another whole new entertainment centre of Vegas. So are we ready to go back to that craziness up at Freemont Street?
Yeah, let's get back up there
and hard work with the editing, but let's give it a go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear the craziness from where we're standing now. It's absolutely nuts, this place. They are, so I'm holding my mic a little bit closer, so hopefully you can hear me once we've voice isolated this. But I hope all you guys are enjoying this stunning video tonight from the Fremont Street experience. The Viva Vision light shows are from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the morning. This is just amazing. And again, I can't believe we used to drive up here. 2 lanes of traffic was there up here? Or maybe 3, I don't know. So let me know in the comments what's your favourite. Is it downtown Las Vegas? Or obviously the Strip? Yeah, I really like the colours now. Got the old Binion's Casino and the Golden Nuggets. Looking spectacular tonight. And check out the limo there for Circa. Look at the aircraft coming flying down Fremont Street there. And this one's doing all different circles, and how wonderful is that? We've got a green, here we go. Wow, this place is crazy. Hope you're all enjoying it, because I can't hear a word I'm saying. And we are approaching the end of the Fremont Street experience. Again, if you can hear me, once I've done this editing, I hope you've all enjoyed this amazing experience. If you come to Vegas, make sure you come to the Fremont Street experience. It is nuts. There we go. It is a wrap. On to the next place.